artificial intelligence has dramatically transformed the landscape of language learning, with tools like ChatGPT at the forefront. These AI advancements have opened new avenues for learners, allowing them to practice languages in innovative ways. However, while ChatGPT is renowned for its conversational abilities, it wasn't originally designed as a language learning tool. ChatGPT's limitations in language education are notable. It often fails to correct mistakes unless specifically prompted and struggles to sustain a coherent conversational flow. Users may find the lack of native-sounding accents a barrier, particularly when focusing on speaking and listening skills. Moreover, the platform's inability to display text alongside spoken words can hinder those trying to read and comprehend simultaneously. These challenges underscore the need for AI tools specifically tailored to language learning. Enter AI-powered language learning apps, designed with the specific needs of language learners in mind. These applications leverage advanced technology to provide more targeted language practice, offering instant feedback, correction, and more native-sounding interactions. With features like interactive roleplays and vocabulary integration, these apps present a more effective solution for those serious about mastering a new language. As the demand for such specialized tools grows, learners are encouraged to explore these dedicated platforms to enhance their language acquisition journey, benefiting from tailored experiences that address the shortcomings of more generalized AI tools. ChatGPT, while a groundbreaking tool, faces significant limitations when applied to language learning. One of the primary challenges is its lack of built-in correction capabilities. Users often need to prompt the AI to receive corrections, and even then, consistency can be an issue. This absence of automatic feedback can hinder learners who rely on immediate correction to improve their skills. Another challenge is the conversational flow. ChatGPT might offer generic topics or fail to maintain a natural dialogue, often asking multiple questions at once or none at all. This inconsistency can disrupt the learning process, making it difficult for users to engage in meaningful practice. The accents produced by ChatGPT also pose a challenge. Although the tool has improved over older voice technologies, its accents often have an American influence, which might not be ideal for learners seeking to master native pronunciation in different languages. This limitation can impact the learner's ability to accurately mimic and understand native speakers. These issues highlight why specialized language learning apps often prove more effective. Such apps are designed to offer structured conversations, instant corrections, and more authentic accents, providing an immersive and supportive learning environment. They cater specifically to the nuances of language acquisition, making them a more suitable choice for those serious about improving their language skills. In the rapidly evolving world of AI language learning, several apps stand out in 2024, each offering unique features that cater to diverse learning needs. Among the top contenders are Lengua, Duolingo, and TalkPal, each bringing something distinctive to the table. Lengua is renowned for its advanced voice technology and comprehensive feedback system. This app provides conversations specifically designed for language practice, offering roleplays and debate topics that engage users in real-world scenarios. The voice technology delivers near-human accents, enhancing the authenticity of interactions. Instant corrections and detailed feedback reports further aid learners in refining their skills. However, Lengua currently supports 9 languages, and while it functions smoothly on browsers, it lacks a dedicated app, which might be a drawback for some users. Duolingo, a trusted name in language learning, has introduced AI-powered features such as video call and adventures. These features immerse users in lifelike scenarios, offering a gamified experience reminiscent of simulation games. While Duolingo is widely accessible and beloved by millions, its conversation practice may not be as engaging or realistic as Lengua's, and its most advanced features are limited to specific languages and require a premium subscription. TalkPal offers a different approach with its immersive roleplays and interactive scenarios. The app allows users to chat about diverse topics, providing grammatical feedback and personalized learning experiences. However, the voices in TalkPal may seem robotic compared to Lengua, and the questions posed might not always align with the learner's proficiency level, potentially challenging beginners. Each of these apps presents a powerful tool for language learners, with distinct advantages and some limitations. By understanding these features, learners can choose the app that best aligns with their goals, making the most of AI-driven language education.